Shall I transport you back to Earth now?
All right, we're ready, Whis. Let's get back to Earth.
Good. Now then, I'd hold on tight if I were you.
Not so fast. I'll be going to Earth, too.
Oh, you'd like to join us, Lord Beerus?
Wait, are you gonna help us fight Frieza, Beerus?
Of course not. Don't be ridiculous. I'm a god of destruction, remember? It's not in my interest to destroy anything there. I'm only joining you to get my hands on some more of your planet's delicious food. Did you not hear me when I said I was hungry?
Oh, so that's why.
Besides, I can't imagine you'd want me to fight Frieza anyway, would you? I know you prefer fighting alone.
Hey! Enough of all this talking! If we don't get back to Earth immediately, then Bulma might... I mean, Trunks and the others might beat Frieza before we have a chance to fight him!
Yeah, you're right.
Well then, off we go. Hopefully Earth is still there when we arrive.
Hey, don't talk like that, Whis.
And here we are.
Yeah, this energy is definitely Frieza's.
Yeah, and it's really strong energy, too.
You've wasted enough time. Let's go!
Yeah, you're right. Okay, we're heading out. Thanks a bunch for everything, Whis and Lord Beerus. I really...
You're very welcome. Good luck.
All right, Whis, let's go get some Earth food.
My, someone's impatient.
I can still sense Gohan's energy, but it's pretty weak.
Then let's hurry, damn it!
We got a keeper. All right! This apple looks extra juicy. Yes! All right! This has got to be some tasty meat. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Over there!
Hurry! How is Frieza this powerful?
Please don't tell me this is the best you can do. This is hardly the warm-up I was hoping for. I'm afraid this pre-revenge entertainment is starting to bore me. If only Goku had arrived sooner. Perhaps he's become painfully aware of my increased strength and power. Maybe he ran away in fear.
No way! My dad would never do anything like that!
You're a fool if you think Goku would run away!
I really expected Goku to show. And what's worse is that you lot failed to entertain me. Such a shame. You will die. Here and now.
No!
Hold up! Whew! Looks like we got here just in time.
Dad! You're here! You made it!
Goku, Vegeta, you sure took your time.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Get out of my way, now! You shouldn't have come here. Looks like I'll have to put you in your proper place, Frieza.
So you've arrived at last. I've been waiting a long time, Goku. I would admit I wasn't expecting Vegeta to be with you.
Tell me, what the hell are you doing on this planet?
You mean you really don't know? I'm here for revenge, of course. Particularly against you, Goku.
Wait a second, Frieza. Don't tell me you're still sore about what happened on Namek.
Sore? I'd never experienced defeat until I crossed paths with you. The embarrassment stayed with me from the moment I was killed and sent to Earth's Hell, and every second since my resurrection. I've come to settle the score and show you that I am the superior being. I even trained, which is something I had never done before.
Glad to hear I had such an effect on you. If you weren't rotten to the core, you'd sure make a great rival. What a shame.
It's that sort of drivel that makes me loathe you with every fiber of my being.
Sorry, Vegeta. Looks like me and Frieza are both ready to go at it. You don't mind letting me go first in this match, do you?
Fine. I warn you, if I catch you screwing around, I'm jumping in.
Thanks, Vegeta. Okay, Frieza. I know you've got a grudge against me, but I'm not gonna let you destroy Earth.
I don't care about your little planet. It means absolutely nothing to me. I'll be satisfied as long as I have my rightful revenge. Now then, tremble in fear before my amazing new power! Aren't you going to transform into a Super Saiyan?
I don't think I need to just yet.
Oh, you seem rather confident in yourself.
Yeah, I guess. It's my turn now!
What is this? I couldn't relish in your suffering if I finished you all so soon. Excellent! Excellent! Your smugness makes my skin crawl.
Here goes! My power!
I always figured you for the self-improvement type, but I never imagined you'd be this good.
Well, you weren't the only one who trained. I've been keeping up my own regimen.
I see. It seems you've attained a great deal of strength since we last fought.
I have, and you're a lot stronger too. It's like I'm fighting a completely different person.
Fortunately for me, I've done a great deal of training.
You're hiding something, aren't you?
Well deduced for a simpleton. I've managed to achieve an even greater power in preparation for this moment.
Well, what are you waiting for? Stop talking and start showing.
Very well then. Allow me to show you just how much more evolved I have become!
What? Amazing!
Incredible! His energy's through the roof!
made my new form gold so it's clear who's sitting atop the pecking order? And to simplify things even further, let's call this Golden Frieza, shall we? You're no doubt aware that my change goes far deeper than just my shimmering exterior, yes?
I am. And even though I'm excited, I have to admit I'm also kind of nervous. I don't know what to expect now.
Well now, it seems Frieza's managed to increase his power by quite a bit. His lust for revenge has afforded him a great deal of motivation. If I didn't know any better, I'd say Goku may have finally met his match.
While it is true Frieza's increase in power is remarkable, I wouldn't count Goku out of this just yet.
All right. Now it's my turn to show you what I can do.
I'm afraid not.
What?
Time's up. Beat it, Kakarot.
Aw, come on, Vegeta. Things were just starting to get interesting.
You only have yourself to blame. You should have stopped playing around ages ago. Now move aside.
Seriously? Oh, come on.
What's this? Vegeta, you wish to fight me? If you think you can defeat me, you're more delusional than ever! What is this? No, not you too!
That's right. You didn't know, did you? Yes, it's true. I too can become a Super Saiyan, a warrior of legend. And now, on top of that, I have the power of a god! Well, are you ready to continue, or do you need a moment? Come on, let's see if the almighty Lord Frieza has what it takes to defeat me!
I'll admit I'm surprised by your transformation, but this changes nothing! I am still far beyond you! Allow me to show you the true power of Frieza, the Emperor of the Universe!
Believe it!
Why you? Have you now? I'll reduce you to nothing but dust. There will be nothing left when I'm done with you.
Believe it! Kiss your ass goodbye, Frieza.
No. 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 No, no.
I'm afraid you're finished, Frieza. Go back to hell. so damn funny?
I'm not the one who's through here. You and your planet are finished!
What?
The Earth.
Well, Frieza did something quite fascinating there. In a last-ditch effort, he took out the whole planet.
So what happened to everyone? And where's Frieza?
I'm afraid all the inhabitants of Earth have perished. Frieza, on the other hand, is most likely still alive.
What? But how?
He's able to survive in the vacuum of space. How surprisingly clever of him.
No way! So, now that Earth's gone, that means the Dragon Balls are gone too! We can't wish everyone back.
That sounds about right.
Man, this sucks! I should have finished him off when I had the chance.
Indeed. Are you ready to make this right, then?
Huh?
This turn of events happened because of your own naivety. Rather than making short work of Frieza, you had too much fun with the fight and got careless.
I know.
So try not to mess things up this time.
This time? What are you talking about?
I possess the ability to turn back time, albeit only a brief amount. 3 minutes is the most I can manage.
You can turn back time?
That's what I'm saying. Once I do so, you will be returned to just moments before the Earth was destroyed.
Oh! Then that means I can take out Frieza.
Exactly. Finish him off quickly, and your planet will be spared.
This is great! I had no idea this was even an option.
This is a one-time deal. The only reason I'm allowing this is because I don't want to miss out on Earth's delicacies. As I said before, do not mess this up.
I won't.
We'll see. I'm going to rewind time now. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right, Goku. I've turned back time.
Thanks, I owe you guys. Okay, time to make this right.
Huh.
If I don't hurry, I'm not gonna make it.